Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and software are ready. Plug the original Xiaomi charger or a certified 30W plus USB PD/quick charge adapter into a stable outlet. Use a high-quality USB-C cable rated for high current. Once done, make sure your Redmi runs the latest MIUI update because firmware controls charging protocols. You should also check battery health and avoid charging below 20% if possible. These steps prepare the hardware and system so fast charging can negotiate correctly and safely with the phone. You now configure software settings that allow maximum current. Go to Settings, then Battery, then Charging Options and toggle Fast or Quick Charge. This tells the kernel to accept higher wattage. Once done, disable Battery Saver and any adaptive battery restrictions because they throttle charging. Make sure background app restrictions and aggressive battery optimizations are off for charging apps. If you want uninterrupted speed, close heavy apps and consider airplane mode. This reduces thermal load and network activity, helping steady, faster charging. You finish by optimizing environment and validating results. Place the phone on a cool surface and avoid direct sun. Batteries charge fastest around 15-30 degrees C. Then connect the original charger and cable and watch the charging indicator. Confirm the fast charge icon appears. If you don't see it, swap the cable or adapter to isolate hardware issues and reboot the phone. Make sure firmware is current. If problems persist, update MIUI. Run diagnostics and contact Xiaomi support for a deeper check. This one step often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.